You know how those YouTubers be like, girl, who you playing with? Who you playing with? Don't put your hand in my face. So annoying. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. That means it's laundry day. Don't mind this thing on my head. He has a birthday tomorrow, Friday the 13th. My baby's growing up. He's gonna be 5. Can't believe he's 5. I can't believe Jaxson is 5 years old. No, you will be 5 tomorrow. So I have to get the house clean for that. I need some coffee, guys. I need something. Madison is sleeping in to pick me up because I'm not feeling like cleaning. I'm just like so tired of cleaning. I'm always cleaning. Seriously, do you have to make that much noise? Just hurry up with my coffee, man. I'm impatient. I'm very impatient. I don't like waiting on things. My eyes are so red because I'm tired. I'm so tired. I'm so ridiculously tired because Madison went down last night at a little after 11. Then my husband came home a little after 12. And I stayed up for a little bit with him. And then when he left this morning, he left around 3:30 and I woke up and I couldn't go back to sleep. So I'm tired. I'm really tired. But let me go put my face on and then come back to you guys, because I feel more, when I put my face on, I feel fierceless. I feel powerful. I feel amazing, wonderful, all these other good stuff. So let me go put the face on. And then, not that I can't be those things without, you know, 12 pounds of makeup on my face. I can totally be, you know, all that stuff. But like I'm saying, I'll be back. Wrong. You know how those YouTubers be like, girl, who you playing with? Who you playing with? Don't put your hand in my face. So annoying. Okay, guys, so not you. I'm gonna do a get ready with me. So all I use is this. This little guy. It's almost done. It's the NYX eye and eyebrow pencil. This is the dark brown. And my 2-liter brush. 2-liter brush. So first I'm gonna moisturize my face. So let me go get my moisturizer. So I'm gonna put some on my face. So anyways, Maddie's sleeping and I'm gonna be using my viewfinder. I'm gonna be using my viewfinder as a mirror. Sorry if I'm looking up and not at you guys. But I'll try to the lighting is not so great, but I gotta work with what I have, okay? I'm not some fancy YouTuber. I'm just Janice. So I usually start with my brows first, and I kind of like smooth them out so they kind of like lay, you know, lay. And then I just go in and I just kind of like trace underneath, and then I don't try to aim for perfection because that's not realistic right now. But I just try to get the most. I just try to make it look like a brow. But I don't aim for perfection. I don't really care if anyone can see that I have pencil on my eye. You know what I mean? And then I just go in with my brush and kind of like blend it out a little. Okay, that's perfect enough. I'm not going anywhere, so it don't need to be perfect. Then I take my Sonia Kushok, whatever, this guy. And this is in the caramel. It's not even caramel, it's camel. It's a shade lighter. And it's a shade lighter than my skin tone. And I just like put it on the brush and like play around with it. And then I just kind of like go in and clean up around my brow. Like I don't even know what I'm doing. But I just kind of go in and clean up the brow. For a stay-at-home mother, that is good. I ain't going nowhere. I ain't going nowhere. So I do the same on this brow. So what I do is, since I don't have time to blend, I just take my big brush and I just kind of like go over it and just smooth it out. Smooth it out. That's good. That's perfect. Don't need to be, you know. And then I just empty out this guy because there's not a lot in there. And then go in here. So I want to go to the store. Guys, but I don't feel like getting dressed. I feel like putting my face on, but I just don't feel like getting dressed. You ever had one of those days where you don't feel like getting dressed? That's me today. Like, I don't feel like getting dressed. I don't feel like being bothered. I forgot my powder. I'm like, how am I gonna put my face on and forget powder? Like, seriously, where did I do that at? Like, where did I do that at? You know? And you just blend. I don't put a lot on. I just put enough to cover my dark spots and my pimple marks that I had before I got pregnant. My skin was breaking out. And you blend. Keep blending. Mommy. And this is where you would put your powder on. Yeah. Okay, so I have to go get my powder. So this is no special powder or anything. It's just
Mommy.
you just top off the excess because that's a lot.
Mommy.
Yes.
Can I get one?
You just like dab it around in a circle. Okay, buddy. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to contour anything. You know, it's perfect. I didn't put too much on where my features are hide. What? You can tell I'm Jamaican. I didn't put too much on where my features are hidden. You can still see my cheekbone, my cheek. You can still see a lot. So, and this is where I would stop. But because my eyes are a bit puffy, I wanted to find the corner so you're not staring at my puffs. So I'll be right back. So if I wear eyeshadows, I usually go in my naked too. My husband got me this for Christmas one year. And I'm gonna go in here, my tear ducts, and I'm gonna highlight them. So I usually use Foxy and Half Baked. I usually mix the two together because I like the look of it. So you just go right here. Don't have to be fancy. And if I want a little bit of something something, I usually use snake bite and chopper. So I go into my snake bite and I just put it all over my lid. Nothing perfect. Nothing perfect. You know, you just want to look decent. And I go into chopper. And then I put a little something something on here. You know, something something. And then, just because that just looks so flat, I'm gonna go into busted and blackout. So I'm gonna do a little bit of busted, dip into blackout, and go right here. And just like swirl. Nothing fancy. You just do something, you know what I mean? Do something before something do you. Okay, that's enough. That's enough foolishness for being home. And then I usually go in and highlight up here. I usually go into Foxy and just highlight my brow area. And then I just take my finger and like blend it out a little bit so it's not so obvious. And then I'll go do the same for the other side. You know, and then go in and blend. You don't need a bunch of makeup tools to put on your makeup if you're a beginner or if you don't know what you're doing. Your fingers work fine. So after I do that, I usually just leave it there and put some mascara on, you know. Just usually leave it like that and put some mascara on. But my face look decent. And bam! 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 No. Stop. 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 But yeah. What the flip? Why is my hair not working? So, that's how I get ready in the mornings, okay? That's how I look cute. That's how I do it. Wait a minute. That's how I do it in the morning, guys. So, it's nothing fancy. It's nothing fancy. I didn't even put nothing on my eyes. Nothing. But the brows are on point though, you know what I mean? The brows are looking good. I'm gonna show you guys Maddie. Madison. My baby. Is she sleeping? I'm gonna wake her up if she's sleeping, you know? For real, I'm wasting time. I'm wasting time. Time that I could be spent doing something productive. What the flip is up with this piece of hair? Feels so rough. Need to take the flat iron to it. Feels wrong.